Okay, so sometimes we feel some problem. Let's suppose your computer is too, you can say, lazy and it's not working properly. So we have a solution for that. So hopefully you like this. If you feel like this, like your computer is too much hanging and it's not working properly, so you can do like that. Uh, just press. Okay, you need to press. Let me make Control plus Shift in Windows 10. Control plus Shift plus the end button. Okay, if you press all these three keys all together, it will pop up this window on the screen, Task Manager. Okay, so over here you can see there are options for startup. Okay, so if we click on startup, so like in mostly computers we have enabled lot of different type of applications there. So whenever you run your computer, so it's like it's load with that with all these applications. So you need to do that. You just have to like look at this. I mostly disable the things. Okay, so if these are like unnecessary for you, like let's suppose Microsoft Edge, you can disable. Phone link you can disable. Okay, so the things that are not necessary, like you can also disable your updates. So this is very necessary. Let's suppose sometime we just run the computer and it's doing updates. So you can do also that. Even you can like disable as much as you can, so your computer will work fast. Check this and hopefully it will work and like us. Thank you.